So here we're going to work on this integral, which is more fun than challenging, but yeah, why not? So we're going to need to do regular substitution, aka U substitution, and integration by parts. Since regular substitution often uses the letter U and integration by parts also has a U, let's start regular substitution with the letter T. So let's say that T is equal to root X. Then it's clear that t squared is equal to x. And from this, we gather that dx will have to equal 2t dt. So we're ready to start with our regular substitution piece. And that'd be rewriting our integral as e to the t, right? Because root x is t is claimed here. And dx we just worked out is 2t dt. And this is probably better viewed as 2t e to the t dt, as it makes for easy picking using integration by parts. And recall the integration by parts formula that said that the integral of u dv, that u is ugly, sorry, u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. And so looking at this left-hand side, comparing it to this, we need to pick a u and a dv. And you should know that u should be 2t, and dv should be e to the t dt. Because after one iteration of the integration by parts formula, we know that du is going to allow us to write an integral on the right hand side that no longer has that t, so it makes for an easy integral that we'll have left at the end. Yeah, cool. So you should know the basics of integration by parts anyway. But with these picks of u and dv, it's clear that du is 2 dt and v is equal to e to the t. So then we go back to our red writing and say that this, which is in the form u dv, is equal to uv, which is 2t e to the t minus the integral of v du, and that's 2 e to the t times dt. And this is what I was talking about. After one iteration of the integration by parts formula, this pick of u and therefore the dv allowed us to end up with an integral that's simple. Okay, so we've got 2t e to the t minus 2 e to the t, and then of course plus c. And the last thing we have to do, of course, is substitute back what we claimed was t right here, root x, and our final answer, 2 root x e to the root x minus 2 e to the root x plus c. Yeah? Cool. Take care.